Good morning class. Let me start the maths period for class 6, exercise 1 for chapter 1. Question 44. A shopkeeper sold 45.255 kg, 52.720 kg and 50.725 kg of wheat. This is the selling of wheat in his shop. Okay, you have to find how much total wheat the shopkeeper has sold. Okay, write down the first wheat sold on first day is equal to 45.255 kg. Okay, wheat sold on second day, simple question of addition, 52.720 kg. Wheat sold on third day, 55.725 kg. Now total wheat sold in 3 days. What do you have to do? You have to add up all the items and you got the answer. Only simple addition sums, beta, simple addition. Okay, now going through the next question. A tanker holds 87.6 liter of water. There is a water in a tanker and 87.6 liter total water it has. If 49.9 liter of water is used, okay, the water has used from it, then how much water is left? How much type of question? Simple subtraction question. Okay, let me start the answer. Total quantity of water in tank. How many quantity of water in tank? 75.6 liter. Okay, total quantity of water used. How much water has been used? 49.9 liter. Okay, now water left in tank. You have to be simple subtraction in it. That is your answer. Okay, the cost. Next question, question number 48. There is a skipping of the questions in between because these are the question of related to multiplication, addition and subtraction. I am doing only here the statement sums that you have a problem sometimes, but the other questions are very simple. There is a subtraction question, multiplication question and addition division questions only. Okay, there I do not do here. You have to do by self at their homes. Now next question, question number 48. The cost of 1 meter of ribbon is rupees 2.35. What is the cost of 8.5 meter of ribbon? Simply says if the quantity of the thing or the item is increased, then automatically its price is also increased. So there is a question of multiplication just like a unitary method. Okay, let me start the question. Cost of 1 meter of ribbon equal to rupees 2.35. now the cost of 8.5 meter of ribbon. Obviously when the quantity is increased, the price is definitely increased, so you have to multiply it. When you multiply it, you got the answer. You have to do the rough work in the side of the question or doing in the behind of the notebook, and you got the answer 19.975 rupees. Okay, next question. If 59 buckets of equal capacity can be filled with 560.5 liter of water, there is a huge amount of water, 560.5, and you have to fill the bucket from taking out the water from it. Then you have to find out that how many total buckets that are filled with the total of this water. Okay, now write down total quantity of water. How much total quantity of water? 560.6. Okay, Next, total quantity of water filled in one bucket. One bucket means, I think I have to write here liter. Okay. Now 5560.5 divided by 59. This is the evaluate. You have to, then you have to find the answer. This is a liter. Okay, after you divide both of the term, you will get the answer 9.5 liter. Means I have to find, then find the capacity of each bucket. The total quantity of water filled in one bucket is 9.5 liter. This is your answer. So I am doing here only the statement question, but in the simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division question you have to do by yourself. Okay, have any problem, discuss with me on Zoom app at every morning 10 a.m. Thank you.